Listen to the 24 English consonant sounds in isolation and in the words below.
Pie, b, buy, t, time, d, dime, k, Kate, g, gate, m, mat, n, gnat, ng, gang, f, fan, v, van, th, thigh, the, thy, s, seal, z, zeal, sh, mesh, j, measure, h, higher, ch, chin, j, gin, l, lie, r, rye, w, wet, y, yet.
Listen to the voiceless and voiced sounds below.
P, t, k, f, the, s, sh, ch, b, the, g, v, the, z, j, j.
Listen 1. Listen and circle the word you hear. Then, check your answers.
For example, raid. Number 1, big. Number 2, tear. Number 3, gold. Number 4, fast. Number 5, either. Number 6, zip. Number 7, Jeep.
Listen to the words ending in voiceless and voiced consonants. Pay close attention to the length of the vowels in the words.
Number 1, A, rib. B, rip. Number 2, A, laid. B, late. Number 3, A, bag. B, back. Number 4, A, save. B, safe. Number 5, A, teeth. B, teeth. Number 6, A, rice. B, rise. Number 7, A, lunch. B, lunge. Number 8, A. Batch. B. Badge.
Listen to the plural and past tense forms of the words ending in voiceless and voiced consonants. This time, pay close attention to the plural and past tense forms of the words.
Number 1. A. Cats. B. Lids. Number 2. A. Lips. B. Cabs. Number 3. A. Cakes. B. Bags. Number 4. A. Chefs. B. Calves. Number 5. A. Paths. B. Lambs. Number 1. A. Wiped. B. Rubbed. Number 2. A. Marked. B. Begged. Number 3. A. Roofed. B. Arrived. Number 4. A. Fixed. B. Raised. Number 5. A. Pushed. B. Repaired.
Listen to the p and th sounds below.
P, 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 th, 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 th.
Listen 1. Listen and circle the odd one out. Then, check your answers.
Number 1. A. Pat. B. Pat. C. Fat. Number 2. A. Leap. B. Leaf. C. Leaf. Number 3. A. Fail. B. Fail. C. Pale. Number 4. A. Clip. B. Cliff. C. Clip.
Listen 2. Listen and circle the word you hear. Then, check your answers.
Number 1. Look at that big pin over there. Number 2. The dealers trade chief items only. Number 3. The sign says no coughs. Number 4. The clips are not safe.
Listen and speak. Number 1. Listen and circle the word you hear. Then, check your answers.
Number 1. Peel. Number 2. Fans. Number 3. Cuffs. Number 4. Past.
Number 2. Repeat the words after the speaker, paying close attention to the p and th sounds in the words.
Number 1. A. Peel. B. Feel. Number 2. A. Pans. B. Fans. Number 3. A. Cups. B. Cuffs. Number 4. A. Past. B. Fast.
Listen to the b and v sounds below.
B. 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 V. 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 V.
Listen 1. Listen and circle the odd one out. Then, check your answers.
Number 1. A. Vest. B. Vest. C. Best. Number 2. A. Buy. B. Vi. C. Vi. Number 3. A. Ballet. B. Valet. C. Ballet. Number 4. A. Given. B. Given. C. Gibbon.
Listen 2. Listen and circle the word you hear. Then, check your answers.
Number 1. They have no bowels. Number 2. The van will discontinue from next year. Number 3. How do you spell veer? Number 4. She whispered rebel.
Listen and speak. Number 1. Listen and circle the word you hear. Then, check your answers.
Number 1. Veiled. Number 2. Base. Number 3. Bowed. Number 4. Voters.
Number 2. Repeat the words after the speaker, paying close attention to the b and v sounds in the words.
Number 1. A. Bailed. B. Veiled. Number 2. A. Base. B. Vase. Number 3. A. Bowed. B. Vowed. Number 4. A. Boaters. B. Voters.
Listen to the th and s sounds below.
Th. 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 S. 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 S.
Listen 1. Listen and circle the odd one out. Then, check your answers.
Number 1. A. Thing. B. Sing. C. Sing. Number 2. A. Thumb. B. Thumb. C. Some. Number 3. A. Face. B. Faith. C. Face. Number 4. A. Pass. B. Path. C. Path.
Listen to. Listen and circle the word you hear, then check your answers.
Number 1. It does not thaw well. Number 2. That's unsinkable. Number 3. 2 sums up. Number 4. It says no thongs.
Listen and speak. Number 1. Listen and circle the word you hear, then check your answers.
Number 1. Faithless. Number 2. Some. Number 3. Mouth. Number 4. Tense.
Number 2. Repeat the words after the speaker, paying close attention to the th and s sounds in the words.
Number 1. A. Faithless. B. Faceless. Number 2. A. Thumb. B. Some. Number 3. A. Mouth. B. Mouse. Number 4. A. Tense. B. Tenth.
Listen to the and d sounds below.
The. The. D. D.
Listen 1. Listen and circle the odd one out. Then check your answers.
Number 1. A. Doze. B. Those. C. Doze. Number 2. A. They. B. Day. C. Day. Number 3. A. Ladder. B. Lather. C. Ladder. Number 4. A. Breed. B. Breathe. C. Breathe.
Listen to. Listen and circle the word you hear, then check your answers.
Number 1. I don't believe them either. Number 2. Bill is taller than Jones. Number 3. These are no good. Number 4. They shouted side.
Listen and speak. Number 1. Listen and circle the word you hear, then check your answers.
Number 1. Wordy. Number 2. Load. Number 3. Heather. Number 4. They've.
Number 2. Repeat the words after the speaker, paying close attention to the and d sounds in the words.
Number 1. A. Wordy. B. Worthy. Number 2. A. Load. B. Loathe. Number 3. A. Header. B. Heather. Number 4. A. Dave. B. They've.
Listen to the words below, paying close attention to the d sounds in the words.
Number 1. A. Writer. B. Writer. Number 2. A. Atom. B. Atom. Number 3. A. Raider. B. Raider. Number 4. A. Grader. B. Grader. Number 5. A. Ladder. B. Ladder.
Listen to the words below, paying close attention to the d sounds before r in the words.
Number 1. A. Chain. B. Chain. Number 2. A. Trill. B. Chill. Number 3. A. Trunk. B. Chunk. Number 4. A. True. B. Chew. Number 1. A. Drain. B. Jane. Number 2. A. Drill. B. Jill. Number 3. A. Drunk. B. Junk. Number 4. A. Drew. B. Jew.
Listen to the r and l sounds below.
R. 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 L. 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 L.
Listen 1. Listen and circle the odd one out. Then, check your answers.
Number 1. A. Rake. B. Lake. C. Lake. Number 2. A. Right. B. Right. C. Light. Number 3. A. Erect. B. Elect. C. Erect. Number 4. A. Bowl. B. Bore. C. Bowl.
Listen 2. Listen and circle the word you hear. Then, check your answers.
Number 1. We need a bigger lock. Number 2. The readers were rewarded. Number 3. That's an interesting crowd. Number 4. Kneel to the baby.
Listen and speak. Number 1. Listen and circle the word you hear.
Number 1. Glass. Number 2. Tore. Number 3. Prayed. Number 4. Flying.
Number 2. Repeat the words after the speaker, paying close attention to the r and l sounds in the words.
Number 1. A. Glass. B. Grass. Number 2. A. Tool. B. Tore. Number 3. A. Played. B. Prayed. Number 4. A. Flying. B. Frying.
Listen to the j, j, and z sounds below.
J. 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 Z. 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 Z.
Listen 1. Listen and circle the odd one out. Then, check your answers.
Number 1. A. Ledger. B. Leisure. C. Ledger. Number 2. A. Baize. B. Baize. C. Beige. Number 3. A. Jute. B. Zoot. C. Zoot. Number 4. A. Cage. B. Cage. C. Case.
Listen 2. Listen and circle the word you hear. Then, check your answers.
Number 1. Don't rely on the pleasure too much. Number 2. She says rouge. Number 3. Zach is popular among his friends. Number 4. I do not like the fridge.
Listen and speak. Number 1. Listen and circle the word you hear.
Number 1. Legion. Number 2. Closure. Number 3. Raise. Number 4. Zoos.
Number 2. Repeat the words after the speaker, paying close attention to the j, j, and z sounds in the words.
Number 1. A. Legion. B. Lesion. Number 2. A. Closure. B. Closer. Number 3. A. Rage. B. Raise. Number 4. A. jewels. B. Zoos.